Hi Travis, in this video, I will be walking you through the WhatsApp Personal Broadcast module. So upon clicking on the WhatsApp Personal Broadcast module, you'll be able to view this page. Firstly, there are 4 important informations over here. From the most left, it shows the remaining credit of the current month, the total unique contacts that you have sent to from your first broadcast until now, the total messages sent in the last 30 days, and the total messages sent up to date. Then below here, you have a table which shows you the title, total recipient, total sent, total failed, estimated credit use, broadcast status, last message date time, and date created. So now let's start by creating a broadcast. Then let's type in the title. Let's say that the title is year-end sale. Then moving on to the WhatsApp message. Example, this is the WhatsApp message that I want to send to my contact. As you can see this contacts.first name, this is one of the merge fields that you are able to select from to enter your contacts details. Other than contact details, you can also select product details, additional details, appointment details, or billing details. You can select those merge fields if needed. Now moving on about when to send this broadcast. You can either send it instantly or on a specific date. So let's say I want this broadcast to be sent September 20 at 10 AM. Then for repeat, you can either select monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or annually. But in this situation, I will just leave it as no repeat. Then over here at this media attachments, you are able to select multiple images to send. So let's just select one image. When you scroll down, you'll be able to view on the most important field, which is the recipient. You'll be able to select individual contact name, contact list, or tagging. So let's just select one of the recipient. That's contact 10. Let's say in the recipient you have selected a contact list and there are a few contacts that you do not want to include. You can add those contacts into this exclude recipients. Then select your sending speed. It can either be very slow, normal, or turbo. Beside each sending speed, there is the estimated time rest between each message. If let's say you are sending to a large amount of contacts, it is recommended to use very slow speed. So since I'll be selecting only one contact, I can put it to normal. Then over here, you'll be able to view the phone numbers that you have linked in the WhatsApp Personal Setup module. Since I have linked 2 numbers, I can select either one of it or both of it. So upon selecting the blasting route, the weightage percentage will be enabled. The weightage percentage represents the number of contacts which will be sent through the respective phone number. If I have selected both blasting route, the weightage will be 50-50%, but I'll be able to change it if needed. So if let's say I put this to 40, then I put this to 60. So let's say I have selected a contact list that has 100 contacts. 60 contacts out of the 100 will be sent out through this second phone number, while the remaining 40 contacts will be sent out through the first phone number. So let's just disable this first phone number. Then lastly, you will be able to view on this estimated cost and estimated time taken. The estimated cost of this broadcast is 2 credit because the message is 1 credit and for each media, it costs 1 credit. Let's say I have selected 2 medias and I want to send the text message together. So total, it will cost 3 credit per contact. Once you are done filling in the information, you'll be able to save draft or send broadcast. So let's say I click on save draft. There will be a checklist that you need to go through before sending the broadcast. So make sure to read it through. Then click on this button, I agree and confirm broadcast. If your message is in the sending status, you'll be able to pause the broadcast by clicking on this stop icon. Then next to the pause icon, you'll be able to edit your broadcast. Then if you want to create a broadcast that is similar, but instead of needing you to manually create it, you can click on this icon to duplicate your broadcast. Then beside it, you'll be able to delete your broadcast. Then if you want to know the statistics of the broadcast, Just double click on the number. Then a list of contacts will be shown. The last message date time refers to the timing of when the broadcast will be sent to finish. So that is all for our WhatsApp personal broadcast module. We hope this video helps you out. See you soon.